on the Diddy timing.
Yeah.
Shit. Oh, he's the man nigga drink the Skeet?
Yeah.
Shit. That's what about it. Yeah. But in a cup or right from him?
So from what I gather, right?
In a cup or right from the hose? I think it matters. I'm not drinking it either way, but I think it kind of matters.
I have no idea. I have no idea.